Okay, I am checking this Galxy machine out. Customer says it has a flat spot. So what I did was, as you can see here, let's back it up off the desk floor here. I put a marker on it. And he's right. As you can see right there, there's a line there. Right? That's for sure will leave chatter marks, and this is the only flat spot on the drum. Everything else seems to be pretty consistent with this, with the marker here. So yeah, he's right. There's definitely a flat spot, and the way you do that is you level the drum off, and there's no other way to do it but to drop. What I have here is an 80 on a flat piece of metal on my dance floor. Right? So I take the 80, I glue it down, I drop the drum slightly on this 80 until the drum is completely round. Right? So I turn the machine on, I roll it up, I roll it up here, and I turn the machine on. Right? I got a problem here with the circuit breaker switch also. Well, anyway, I turn the machine on, I drop it slightly on this piece, and then I put the marker back on it. Okay, so if I can give you a slight demonstration, I will. Let's see if I can try and I gotta get a camera guy, huh? That's what I need. Seriously. Lines are off, and I still see slightly here. It's here slightly, but we're gonna go at it again. When we go at it, you keep dropping it down. Don't go too much because we're taking off life of your drum. But you're gonna slightly drop it, and then I'll show you how to put the marker on it. Hold on. Here. Be careful when you do this, all right? When you just want to tap the drum with the marker. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's still there slightly. So that line is still there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop it again until I get the lines out. Once I get the lines out of the drum should be completely round, and you're on your way to having a stress-free day with your Galxy machine. Later on, we'll be going over a lot of things in this machine, changing out the drum, putting a new switch on, changing the belts, checking the belts, cleaning and maintaining your machines. So, with further ado, I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Peace.